गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपका न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स का पार्ट 3 होगा, जिसमें डाइजेशन इन ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स, दैट इज हर्बीवोर्स एनिमल। You know that herbivores animals are also called as ruminant due to the part of alimentary canal called rumen is found. So the different examples of ruminants are cow, buffalo, goat, etc., and it is also called as herbivores. So these herbivores animals, today we will discuss about the digestive system and how digestion takes place among these herbivores animals. As you know that they eat plant products, grass, etc., and you also know one thing, that the plant cell or the outer boundary of the plant cells is made up of a special type of carbohydrate that is called cellulose, which make the plant cell thick. That is due to the presence of cell wall. This cell wall is not present in animal cell. So digestion in herbivorous animals differ from that of carnivorous animals due to this cell wall, due to presence of cellulose, because cell wall is made up of cellulose. Now what is cellulose? Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. Or digestion of cellulose takes longer time as compared to the other food components or other carbohydrate. Other carbohydrate, that is a starch, but cellulose, and this is why that the digestive canal is longer as compared to the carnivorous animals. In herbivorous animals, the digestive canal, that is alimentary canal or digestive tract, is longer as compared to carnivores. Flesh-eating animals have shorter alimentary canal, but herbivorous animals have longer. The reason is that they have to digest the cellulose, which take more time to digest them. This is why that they have longer alimentary canal. Now the digestive process taking place in herbivorous animals, कि digestive process कैसे होता है. First, these animals quickly swallow the grass stored in a separate part of the stomach called rumen, and due to the presence of this rumen, the part of a stomach, they are called ruminant. So you must have observed, while the grass eating animals taking food, they swallow the grass quickly, and here the food is partly digested called cud in the rumen. Then the cud is brought back to the mouth in small lumps and chewed. This process is called rumination. So rumination takes place, and rumination means, first of all, it is stored in the rumen, then in the form of lump again the food is chewed. This process is called rumination. The microbes present in the rumen produces the cellulase, cellulase enzyme, which is able to digest the cellulose. So due to the bacterial action, and if the bacteria is not present, then the digestion of cellulose doesn't take place. Then it is sent to the another sac-like structure, reticulum, by softening the ingested matter. Whatever it is eaten, the reticulum and rumen play an important role in the digestion of food, that is mainly cellulose. Bacteria plays an important role in digestion of cellulose by the action of a special enzyme called cellulase. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. So in this way, the digestion of food takes place in ruminants or in grass-eating animals. Now the feeding and digestion in amoeba. As you know that amoeba is unicellular organism, unicellular aquatic organism. Aquatic means found in water. So it is or it takes microscopic food particles solid, microscopic and solid food particles, and the mode of nutrition is holozoic. Mode of nutrition: unicellular organism, aquatic organism. It takes microscopic food particles in solid form. So the mode of reproduction, mode of nutrition is holozoic. So first of all, the shape of amoeba is irregular. Irregular shape due to the formation of pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Poda means fit. So pseudopodia. This is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. This the irregular shape emerging is called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Poda means fit. False fit. So pseudopodia plays an important role in capturing the food. First of all, it round the food particles like this, and then it is engulfed, and now this is formed. Food particles is in the form of food vacuoles. Food vacuoles. Now it is pushed towards the body, towards the cytoplasm, and by the action of digestive enzymes, these food particles is digested, broken down into complex simpler form, and it is utilized by the cell, that is amoeba, and the undigested food is again thrown out through the contractile vacuole, and in this way the digestion or the feeding of food takes place in amoeba. Thank you.